Look, I will complete it this much length of handle or chain. Now I am going to stitch it with the edges. So I will join it with the help of crochet only. Because with crochet the task becomes easy and quickly. We'll make about 4 stitches through this picot stitch. After that it will be tight. Now from this side from back side also we should take one loop. This is the last stitch. Now it is fixed very nicely. We'll make it tight and cut the yarn now. We will hide it afterwards. Now for second side we have to take the middle point. This is the middle point. Keep this one inside this chain and pass the hook from the chain. Bring the yarn behind this chain and take with the hook and bring outside. This has come here. Now let us do it again. Let's fix this yarn first. Now turn it. See, when we pass through the double chain stitches, pulling the yarn becomes difficult with the crochet. Now take it from this side, take the yarn, bring the chain, pass through the loops. One and cut the yarn. This is done. Now it is fixed very tightly. It can't get loose. Now take both of them together, make one chain, make it tight, and we can cut it. We'll cut the extra yarn. This is done. This is your mini beauty kit is ready. Mini makeup kit or mini beauty kit. You can put your things here. This is set of lipsticks, your eyeliner, comb for you, and your forehead bindis. This is the kit. Very light, compact, and sleek. These two were for stationery, cutlery, and this is for makeup items. Now I am going to decorate it like these. I will decorate it and show you.